Hey guys, so just a quick video and a very important and good announcement, very happy moment for all of us. I've got this from YouTube and let's quickly see what exactly is in there. Okay, so I'll do a little unboxing. Let's see what exactly it is. I mean, I know what it is, and I've been waiting for this for very long, and it has arrived. So let's see what exactly YouTube has sent for us. Okay, so that's how it comes. So a little form there, and then we have a certificate. Okay, so there is a little, personalized card. I'm not sure if you're able to read it, but this says, "Congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. And this award was inspected and packaged with great care by Rick. If your award was damaged during shipping or if you have any questions, you can always email." So there is an email from YouTube. Okay, that's about that. And then this is the certificate, right? So we have crossed 100,000 family on the YouTube, and that's what this certificate is for. So basically it says some 100,000 subscribers. Just how far have you come? If each of your subscribers were a light year, they could take you from one side of the Milky Way to the other. That's how big family we are now, right? So it's amazing, guys. It's amazing. Big thanks to you guys. A lot of stuff here, and this is from Susan, CEO of YouTube, and they are also saying that they want to see the next step, basically the golden play button, right? So this is on 100,000 subscribers. You get a award, basically silver play button, and that's how the award looks like. See, so amazing. It looks great. Let me take it out, and that's how it is. You can see, right? Actually, I can see my face in there. If you see that, right? So it's absolutely stunning. It's great. So you can see that it is presented to Software Testing Mentor for passing 100,000 subscribers, and that's so great, guys. I mean, feels so good to hold it here. It's kind of, I've been doing this for a while now, and it's not just that I've been doing this just to get the awards or something, but still it feels so good that your work is being recognized by the organization or the platform where you have been posting all of the content. And that has become possible not because of me. I mean, I'm doing the work, and there are so many people trying to help and doing the work, but it's because of you guys, right? Your love and support that this day has come. Thank you very much. This award is, you guys deserve this, right? So it's your support on the channel and overall that has made this possible. Along with that, my wife, my kids, they supported me so well. They helped me. They have stayed quiet when I'm recording, right? So, kids, right? So it's very hard for them to stay quiet when recording is going on. So thank you very much to my wife and kids who have managed their time so that I can go ahead and record and present the content in front of you. Big thanks to my parents, almighty. No words, guys. This is amazing, and I think all because of my father, mother, their hard work in making me a person who really wants to learn stuff and also teach. So that's something. They have taken a lot of pain to educate me, right? So a big thanks to all of them, right? So there is a endless list of people who have supported me during this whole journey. Some of my very good friends have always encouraged me to keep doing doing the videos, courses, etc. So thank you to all of you, to everyone who has subscribed. And if you haven't subscribed and are watching this, please go ahead and subscribe and support the channel so that I I will anyways keep posting the content, right? It's not that only when you will subscribe that I'll keep posting the content. I'll anyways keep posting the content. But yes, your subscription matters a lot. It doesn't pay me anything. It doesn't pay any of the YouTuber anything, but it shows that how much people love the person who's creating the content, right? How much you support as in a person, what value you are getting out of the content that I'm producing, right? So it's a big support by clicking that subscribe and bell icon. So that's all. You can see it's a great gift there. I'll put it somewhere here, and it will be there somewhere in the wall. And thank you very much, guys. I'm absolutely delighted and happy to share this happy moment with all of you. We passed this subscriber milestone long ago, but then I was on leave for a long time. Then I came back. Then I requested this gift, and it recently arrived. So it's an amazing feeling to be back and to be back with the tutorials and series that I've been doing till now. You will be getting a lot more value content from now on until end of this year. So that's for this year. Next year we'll be planning a lot more. But yes, I mean, during the vacations it becomes really hard for me to continue. But then this was the only vacation. Next vacation or other vacations won't be this busy. So you will keep getting regular content. So that's all. Thank you very much for all your support, and I'll see you in the next video or tutorial series. Okay. Thank you very much.